I woke up this morning and couldn't believe my eyes. The sun was out. It was freezing cold, but that's all right. As soon as the ice melted, the GoSuns went to work. It's day 12 of the 40 days of sunshine, and I'm cleaning up our GoSun Station. We're getting ready to do a little R&D here. We are fortunate. R&D often results in a really yummy meal. So you're gonna see the results of our testing. We're actually testing some legitimate thermodynamic principles as well. We've got some honey glaze, some garlic, some teriyaki, and back to the honey glaze. And the two honey glazers are gonna get tested on a thermodynamic principle that relates to conduction. Got our sports sitting on standby, turned off right now. And finally, we've got a grill preheating. So the grill can be preheated pretty much infinitely. And you just got to keep the sundial located at that wonderful orb. Nate's getting ready to deploy the station. Really nice meal here for everybody on the GoSun squad. Look at these bubbling. Oh, this is gorgeous. I would say this one's slightly hotter than the one up above, because I didn't see the bubbles like that. So this is an office for the day. This is Mr. Austin Frey, our independent sales rep. Ice cold killing it, making a few phone calls. Austin, I appreciate your office. That's a pretty impressive little setup.
Walk in, walk out. Open floor plan here. Got plenty of space.
It is such a pleasure to work alongside a creative team of open-minded, hard-working folks. We had such a good time today in the sun, first time in a week. Yeah, that's a lot of meat, I realize that, but we made our vegetables as well. All that chicken, it was time to make some vegetables as well. It's a classic medley here.